Good morning students, welcome to Botany Council. Today I will discuss about the DNA replication. DNA replication. Right, first of all I will give definition of DNA replication. Right, here the synthesizing of a new DNA strand from parent DNA, right? Synthesis of new DNA strand from parental DNA. Parental DNA is known as DNA replication. Okay, the parent DNA gives the new synthesizing DNA strand is known as DNA replication. Right, the DNA replication occurs in S phase of cell cycle. The DNA replication occurs S phase of cell cycle. Okay, observe the diagram. Right, it is cell cycle. Already we are discussed in previous standard. Right, it has three subphases. There are G1 phase, S phase, G2 and M phase. In G1 phase of cell cycle, the cell is metabolically active. The cell is metabolically active. Then the S phase of cell cycle, the amount of DNA is double. The amount of DNA is double. Right, this S phase is also known as synthesizing phase. Right, here in S subphase the DNA will be synthesizing, so that is S phase of cell cycle. Next, in G2 phase the proteins are synthesized. Right, in DNA replication it occurs S phase of cell cycle. For example, if you take in prokaryotes, the DNA replication take place cytoplasm. Right, prokaryotes, they are bacteria and blue-green algae. Right, in these prokaryotes the nucleus is not well differentiated, so the DNA is present in the cytoplasm only. So the DNA replication take place in prokaryotes cytoplasm. Right, in prokaryotes the DNA type is circular DNA. In prokaryotes the DNA is circular shape, so that is circular DNA. Circular DNA type is present in the prokaryotes. Next, I will take example in eukaryotes. In eukaryotes the DNA replication take place nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast. In eukaryotes the nucleus is well defined, well differentiated, so the DNA is present in the nucleus, and also two cell organelles like that mitochondria and chloroplast. Right, here in eukaryotes the DNA type is linear DNA. Right, It is linear DNA. The linear DNA is present in the eukaryotes. The circular DNA is present in the prokaryotes. Right? The DNA replication, the scheme of DNA replication gave by two scientists. There are Watson and Crick. Watson and Crick. The scheme of DNA replication gave Watson and Crick from the double helical structure of bDNA. Double helical structure of bDNA. Next, fourth feature. The parental DNA strand is separation or break template strand. Okay, the parental DNA strands or breakdown. Okay, each parental DNA strand act as template strand for new synthesizing DNA strand. Right here, the parental DNA is breakdown or separation. Each parental strand, each parental DNA strand act as template strand. Template strand for synthesizing of new DNA. So that is known as DNA replication. Right, observe the diagram. Right, it is one of the DNA. Right, it is parental DNA. Parent DNA. The parental DNA is breakdown or separation. Each parental strand act as template strand. Right here, one of the strand is 5' to 3', then another one is 3' to 5'. Right, this parental DNA strands will be separation. Each parental strand act as a template strand for the new synthesizing DNA strand. Right, it is the new synthesizing DNA, new DNA strand. It is new DNA strand. Right, it is 5' and 3'. Then it is 3' and 5'. Okay, the parental DNA gives the new DNA strands. So that is DNA replication. Right, anotherly we are discuss, it is one of the DNA. Right, it is 5' to 3' DNA strand and another one is 3' to 5' DNA strand. Then it has nitrogen bases like that: adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. Right, the 3' complementary to 5' nitrogen bases, that is thymine, cytosine, guanine and adenine. Right, it is parent DNA. It is parent DNA. Then the parental DNA, right, the parental DNA is separation or breakdown. Right, it is 5' to 3'. It act as parental strand. It act as template strand. The parental DNA strand is separated, then it act as template strand. Right, here also the 3 prime to 5 prime, 3 prime to 5 prime, it has same case adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine nitrogen bases. Then another one thymine, cytosine, guanine and adenine. Right. Then each template strand is synthesize the new DNA strand, that is 3 prime to 5 prime. Then complementary to nitrogen bases, adenine to thymine, guanine to cytosine, cytosine to guanine, thymine to adenine. Then here same case, right, it is 5 prime to 3 prime. The complementarity to thymine to adenine, cytosine to guanine, guanine to cytosine and adenine to thymine. Right, the complete DNA, parental DNA is synthesizing new DNA strands, so that is known as DNA replication. Right, next we are discuss the modes of DNA replication. Right, modes of DNA replication. Modes of DNA replication. There are 3 modes of DNA replication. Number 1 is conservative mode of DNA replication. Number 2 is dispensive mode of DNA replication. Then the last mode, semi-conservative DNA replication. Okay, now we are discuss the first one, that is conservative. The conservative mode of DNA replication. Right, the conservative, in this mode the entire original DNA, the entire original DNA break into, okay, entire original DNA serves as, okay, entire original DNA serves as template for new DNA synthesis. New DNA synthesis. Right, observe the diagram. Right, it is the original DNA, 5 prime to 3 prime, then the 3 prime to 5 prime. It is original DNA. Okay, the entire original DNA serves as template. Okay, the entire original DNA serves as template strands. Template strand. Then after that, it synthesizing new DNA strand. Synthesizing new DNA strand. Okay. Right, it is entire original DNA, it gives or serves as template. Right, it is template like that parental DNA. parental DNA. The parental DNA act as template, right? Then it is new synthesizing DNA. New synthesizing DNA strand, right? The entire virginal DNA serves as parental, it act as template, okay? Then after that new synthesizing DNA. So this mode is known as conservative mode of DNA replication. Next, the second mode of DNA replication, that is dispensive mode, right? The second one, dispensive mode of DNA replication, right? In this mode, the parental DNA is break into fragments, then the newly synthesized segment, okay, right? The older fragment, nothing but parent fragment, and new segment, okay? The older fragment and new segment of DNA combine together, then form complete DNA. Is known as the dispensive mode of DNA replication, right? Observe the diagram, right? It is the virginal DNA. It has 5 prime to 5 prime to 3 prime strand, then another one is 3 prime to 5 prime strand. It is virginal DNA, right? This virginal DNA, right? The parental DNA is breakdown into fragments, right? The parental DNA break into fragments, right? Here these are parental DNAs, okay? Parent DNA, okay? The parental DNA break into fragments, then the new synthesized segment between the two older parent strands, right? The new segment is synthesizing, right? This new segment and the old fragment, right? It is old parent fragment, okay? Old parent fragment. The old parent fragment and the newly synthesized segment, the both are combined together. It is new segment, okay? The older parental DNA fragment, and the new segment are combined together, then form complete DNA. So that is dispensive mode, right? Here the first mode, that is conservative mode of DNA replication and dispensive mode of DNA replication. this both DNA replications, like that the number one is conservative DNA replication, then dispensive mode of replication. These two modes of DNA replications are not acceptable not accepted by other scientists. Okay, right. Next we are discuss the third mode of DNA replication, that is semi conservative. Right, third one, semi conservative mode of DNA replication. Right, in this mode the virginal DNA, parental DNA, okay, the virginal DNA, like that it has 5 prime to 3 prime and 3 prime to 5 prime strand. Right, the parental DNA strands are break down. Okay, right, the parental DNA strands are break down. It is 5 prime to 3 prime and another one is 3 prime to 5 prime. Right, these are two parental strands. These two parental strands are act as, okay, these two parent strands act as template parent strands. Okay, they are act as a template strand. Okay, for the new synthesizing DNA strand, right, it is 5 prime to 3 prime, then here it is 3 prime to 5 prime. Okay, new synthesizing DNA strand. Okay, one complete DNA, it is parent DNA. The parental DNA strands are separated or break down, then these parental strands are act as template for the new synthesizing DNA strand. So that is semi conservative mode. Right, it is 3 prime to 5 prime. Next, 5 prime to 3 prime. It is the semi conservative mode of DNA replication. It is experimental proved by the two scientists. Okay, the semi conservative mode of DNA replication experimentally proved, so it is universally acceptable by another scientist. Okay, this mode of DNA replication, semi conservative mode of DNA replication, is experimentally proved by Michelson and Stahl. Okay, then I will discuss about that Michelson and Stahl experiment next video. Thank you.